Living in Weston means experiencing the full spectrum of New England weather, from frigid, snowy winters to hot, humid summers. With these dramatic temperature swings, your home's doors do far more than provide security and curb appeal. They play a key role in maintaining comfort and energy efficiency year-round. Over time, doors that aren't designed for Weston's climate can warp, leak air, and lose their insulating power. That's why investing in weatherproof door options is one of the smartest upgrades a homeowner can make. Whether you're replacing your front entry, patio, or side door, here's what you need to know about durable, energy-efficient door materials that can handle everything Weston's weather throws their way. Fiberglass doors. The all-season champion when it comes to weather resistance, fiberglass doors are one of the best all-around choices for Weston homeowners. Engineered to handle both freezing winters and humid summers, fiberglass doors don't warp, swell, or crack under temperature changes. Their insulated cores and high-performance weather seals make them exceptionally energy efficient, helping to keep your home warm in January and cool in July. Many fiberglass doors also feature wood grain finishes, allowing you to enjoy the look of real wood without the upkeep. Benefits of fiberglass doors: excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Resistant to moisture, warping, and corrosion. Minimal maintenance, no painting or sealing required. Available in a wide range of styles and finishes. For Weston's unpredictable climate, fiberglass doors offer the perfect combination of durability, beauty, and long-term value. Steel doors. Built for strength and security. If security and durability are top priorities, steel doors are another excellent choice for weatherproofing your home. Modern steel doors are made with galvanized metal skins and foam-filled cores, creating a barrier against both temperature extremes and air leaks. They stand up well to snow, rain, and humidity, making them ideal for homes in Weston that see heavy precipitation. In winter, their superior insulation helps prevent cold drafts from creeping in, while in summer, they block outdoor heat and humidity. Benefits of steel doors: superior strength and impact resistance. Excellent energy efficiency. Long lifespan with proper maintenance. Secure against intrusions and harsh weather. To prevent rust, many high-quality steel doors are finished with protective coatings and thermal breaks that resist moisture penetration, ensuring long-term performance in New England's changing climate. Wood doors. Classic beauty with proper protection. Wood doors remain a timeless favorite for their rich, natural appearance and warmth. However, in Weston's variable climate, not all wood doors are created equal. To ensure they withstand humidity and cold, it's essential to choose engineered or solid hardwood doors with weather-resistant finishes and proper sealing. Modern wood doors are often treated with multiple layers of varnish or paint that protect against moisture and UV damage. When maintained properly, they provide both classic curb appeal and reliable performance. Tips for long-lasting wood doors: apply a high-quality weatherproof sealant regularly. Install a storm door for extra protection. Choose hardwoods like mahogany or oak for durability. Wood doors can thrive in Weston's environment with the right care, especially when paired with a professional installation and regular upkeep. Vinyl and composite doors. Low maintenance and high efficiency for homeowners seeking a cost-effective, low-maintenance option. Vinyl and composite doors offer excellent weather resistance. These materials don't absorb moisture, making them ideal for humid summers, and their insulated cores provide reliable thermal performance in winter. Composite doors, which combine wood fibers and resins, mimic the texture of wood while resisting warping and rotting. Vinyl doors, meanwhile, are easy to clean and highly durable, maintaining their color and shape for years with minimal maintenance. Benefits include excellent resistance to moisture and temperature fluctuations. Low maintenance, no painting or refinishing needed. Available in a variety of colors and finishes. These options are perfect for busy Weston homeowners who want energy-efficient, weatherproof doors that look great without demanding extra work. The importance of professional installation. No matter which door material you choose, proper installation is key to maximizing its performance. Poorly fitted doors can lead to gaps, air leaks, and water intrusion, defeating the purpose of weatherproofing. A professional door installation expert in Weston will ensure your new door is properly insulated, sealed, and aligned for long-lasting efficiency and comfort. They'll also recommend door frames, thresholds, and weather stripping suited to the area's seasonal changes. A smart investment for Weston homeowners. From icy winters to humid summers, Weston's climate demands strong, weather-resistant doors that can handle it all. Fiberglass and steel offer unbeatable durability and energy efficiency, while wood and composite doors provide natural beauty with modern protection. By choosing the right materials and trusting a local Weston door installation specialist, you'll enjoy year-round comfort, lower energy bills, and a more beautiful, resilient home. Weatherproof doors aren't just an upgrade, they're a long-term investment in your home's value, comfort, and protection against New England's ever-changing weather.